The Echo and Roger Beep module pre-installed in the microphone has the following main functions. Echo, generating the echo effect of the signal captured by the radio station's microphone and inserting it into the modulation state. Roger Beep, generating a personalized signal via MP3 audio file upon completion of the broadcast and maintaining it.
PNI. PNI.
Connect a USB cable to the micro USB socket on the microphone's internal board and to a computer and copy the customized audio file MP3 or WAV, maximum duration 1.5 seconds according to the instructions in the manual. As a result, at the end of each broadcast, you will also transmit the customized audio signal that will be received by other CB users as an end of broadcast warning. The echo adjustments can be made by means of the two potentiometers on the microphone board with the help of a small ceramic screwdriver.